Brand new unboxing video. Yes, I know it's been a month since my last unboxing video, but only because I've been super busy. So I'm going to try to upload more unboxing videos as soon as I can. As you can see, huge box. What's inside? Well, basically went on eBay about 2 weeks ago and I needed a new vacuum. Well, I didn't really need a new vacuum, but this vacuum looked pretty damn sweet, so I decided to order it. It took the seller about a week for her to ship the vacuum out. Then it took about another week almost for eBay to actually ship out the vacuum to me. Cat's gonna love that. And it just came in about 2 hours ago. And since, bear with me, here's a chill little packaging. And since I'm not too busy this afternoon, I have time to make an unboxing video. And as you can see, we're basically unboxing a box out of a box. Ooh. Okay. What do we have here? We have some shipping, building information. Okay, let's get this box out of the way. Now let's do this box. Watch me unbox this box. Wait, what is that? Is it open? Oh, okay. Open at the bottom, so. Oh. I don't know why it's open at the bottom, but yeah. Anyways, this is basically the box it comes in. Actually, let's do this. Like I said, bear with me. It's the Hushtone 15-inch vacuum. They come in 13-inch and 15-inch. That's basically the width of your cleaning area. I got the 15-inch just because the wider the cleaning area, the faster it's going to clean. And I noticed on eBay these vacuums are basically going for about the same price. The 15-inch and 13-inch are about the same price. Whew, so why not? Hushtone quick guide. Here's your quick guide. We'll put this, actually let's put this here. That was in this box. Okay, so you get your little brush nozzle. Oh boy, there's gonna be a lot of garbage to throw out in a bit. My recycling man's gonna be happy with all these boxes. You get your little corner crevice tool. The quality on these parts are good. Yeah, nice and strong. No complaints. And here's your handle. This is aluminum. As you can see, this is plastic. This is like rubber. Like a hard rubber. Pretty nice quality. Yeah, seems like it could take a bit of abuse. Let's put this here. You get your Hushtone bagged upright manual. There you go. It's probably a good 20, 30, actually 40 pages. It'll be in English, Spanish, and French, I believe. Now this is Hoover's basically newest vacuum, the Hushtone 15 and Hushtone 13. They are absolutely new by Hoover. They are basically their elite vacuums for their commercial lineup. Actually, I'll unzip that later. But yeah, here's your, it comes with your extension cord for your vacuum. Nice, good commercial grade. And that's it for this box. You can see. Basically now we have a vacuum. How am I gonna get it out? I don't know. Don't want to break it. So the last thing I want to do is break it. Okay, oh boy. Is there anything in here? No. Okay, is there anything in here? No, we always want to check every corner of anything you order, like these boxes, because there's usually things hidden. Anyways, here's a vacuum. I don't think I'm going to need my knife anymore. Let me put it aside. Camera still recording. Yes! Okay, let me put that there. The box is empty now. Boom. Assemble. Oh yeah, if you're wondering what this vacuum is made, basically 90% of everything these days is made in China, Asia, Japan, whatever. Surprisingly, made in USA. I think all the commercial vacuums are made in USA Hoover. Which is quite shocking. Should I get the coffee tube out of the way? I don't know. Here's the vacuum. Yeah, use a vacuum. Here's the bottom part. Here's the Brushroll, squeegee. This is like metal. Tires are, yeah, they're rubber. This tire is also rubber. Here's your belt. This is where the belt goes to power the Brushroll. Don't want to drop this. Yeah, here's the vacuum itself. There you go. I basically got it for about, how much did I pay for it? About 400 bucks. Free shipping, not bad. You have your adjustments here, bare floors. Yeah, you got bare floors, you got high traffic, you got commercial carpet. And then if you have really high carpets, you just flick it right there. Commercial, nice. You got your commercial lettering here, which is indented, kind of like a 3D look. You got your HEPA filter here. It is washable. Just pull this down, just pull this little clip down. Cover comes off, and your filter is white, and you can wash it and whatnot. Made in USA sticker. Oh, where's that sticker? If you're wondering, this vacuum is Carpet and Rug Institute Gold certified, which basically means it is very efficient for cleaning carpets. The Carpet and Rug Institute, they have 3 categories: gold, silver, and bronze. This is a gold model certified, so it's basically the best vacuum you could basically get. Here's your hose. I am new to this, so let me see if I can figure this out. Okay. Pretty sure this just pulls out. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, here's your hose. Let's turn this around. Yeah, this is aluminum. Your handle's very comfortable. I think this extends like yeah, pretty far. Not too far, but it's about triple length extension. This, yeah, this swivels, so that's good. Does this come off here? No. You have a see-through window here, so if you have a clog here, you could basically check and see what's clogging it. Your tools will basically go here, so let's put them on. Haven't read the instructions yet. It's pretty straightforward though, you don't really need instructions. Yeah, there you go. So you get two accessory tools, and this is where your extension cord plugs in. I forget how many feet this is. I think it's advertised for about 40 feet, so you're definitely going to be cleaning quite a bit. And this is a good feature because if your extension cord does get ruined, like if it gets a cut or cut in half, whatever, you just have to replace the extension cord. And this is still good. You don't have to take the unit for servicing, which of course is quite a bit of a headache. Not much of a headache, but it just takes time, you know, a week or two at the vacuum shop while they replace while they replace the cord. Or if you're sending it off to Hoover to replace the cord at the factory center, it's gonna be sitting around for like a month. Yeah, see, the Carpet and Rug Institute certified, seal of approval. One of the best vacuums you could basically get. Yeah, I don't know. You guys have any questions or anything? I mean, am I missing anything? I don't know. This comes off. You have a little clip here. Very nice. Clip. Ooh, nice. Yeah, nice little clip. Very nice. Easy to push in, easy to push out. This just attaches like that. Boom. I wonder if you could put this on the hose too. Let's see. Pretty sure. Yeah, there you go. Also attaches on the hose. So very nice. Let's try this one out. Yeah, there you go. Nice. Boom. Let's try. I love these click button vacuums. They're pretty rare, but if you get a vacuum with click mechanism, it's really nice. Yeah, there you go. Everything fits nicely. Nothing's hard or yeah, nothing's hard to remove or anything. You have a carrying handle here. You can carry the vacuum like this. This is where your what's it called? Cord wraps around. Now the vacuum is advertised at the Hoover website, ready to be used straight out of the box. There's basically no assembly required, which is 100% true. I just have to basically push this handle down and it should click into place and be ready for action. Does it click or what? I don't want to break it. Yeah, that's the right way, so do I have to push this down or I don't know. I'll read the instructions, but yeah. Yeah, and your cord just wraps up here. Let me plug the vacuum in and let me give you guys a sound test. Well, I'm back, as you guys can see. Basically the vacuum comes with two motors. Basically just suction power. There's a strong boost mode and then there's a quiet low decibel mode. It's advertised that the vacuum is 69 decibels, which is quiet for a vacuum. I'm going to turn on the vacuum at the highest suction power just to demonstrate the noise level and how strong the suction is. So first time ever doing this, so let's do it. Let's see. Let's give it a shot. At the strongest mode, it's not too loud. It's actually pretty quiet, and the suction is the suction is monstrous. So you don't have to worry about suction. Now let's try on the lowest quiet mode. So let's see how loud it's gonna be. Yeah, on the lowest mode it's pretty quiet and suction is still pretty strong. Of course not as strong as max mode, but it's still gonna suck up whatever you bring to the vacuum. Now I want to know, if you start the vacuum on the upright position, if the brush roll does automatically stop. So I want to show you guys too, so let's do it like this. So let's sit on the vacuum brush roll. Yeah, the brush roll basically stays on always. It only turns off when you manually turn off the vacuum. Some vacuums, or some household vacuums, once the vacuum is upright, the brush roll automatically turns off. I don't know why commercial vacuums don't do that. I don't know why they never really incorporated that feature of commercial vacuums, but beats me. But yeah, very nice vacuum. Let me unplug it. Oh yeah, you only get one vacuum bag. You don't get any spare vacuum bags, unfortunately. But it's not much of a big deal. But yeah, there you go. Here's your vacuum bag. Easy to remove and whatnot. So yeah, not bad. I recommend it.